Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I have Mark with me today. And today we are kicking off a new series on my channel. It's called
Lutong Bahay.
Yay! Our very first cooking video! Woo! And kakaiba ng cooking video namin kasi lahat ng lulutuin namin is family recipes. And today, ang una namin lulutuin is something that my mom always cooks for us. Sobrang sarap. And we call it white chicken. Natikman ni Mark at sobrang sarap talaga kasi chicken, potato, creamy sauce. Ooh, creamy white sauce. Kaya sobrang sarap. The best talaga, especially with hot steaming rice. So, if ever gusto niyo yung recipe,
look at the information box.
Yes! Yes, look at the information box. Actually, lahat to ay ano lang, chamba-chambang, tansya-tansya lang. So, we're not professional cooks or chefs. So, ano lang kami, gumagaya sa mga luto ng aming mga magulang. So, we hope you enjoy! First cooking show! Tada!
So, para sa mga ingredients natin, we have 1 clove of garlic.
Bawang!
And 3 pieces ng small potatoes.
Di nice ni Mark, pero it's up to you kung paano nyo siya gustong hiwain.
Kung gusto nyo malalaki or maliliit. Pero ginawa ko, dice.
Sakto lang.
Bite size.
Yeah, bite size.
And then, Magnolia dairy cream for sauteing the
Bakit dairy cream?
Garlic.
Bakit di?
Mabango and mas
masarap.
For me.
True. Very true. Try nyo.
Yeah, ganun ako lagi pag nagsasaute.
But if you don't have that, pwede rin kayo mag normal
or kung hindi nyo gusto yung lasa nyo. And 1 can of mushroom.
Narcissus mushrooms.
Kahit anong mushroom. So, ito lang yung nadampot namin sa grocery.
If you prefer the button ones, meron din. Pero yung sa amin kasi is slice and something. Slices.
Pieces and stems.
Yun. For the main meat of the this dish, we have
chicken.
So, ito ay 3 pecho.
Yeah.
3 pechong chicken. Slice lang into bite-size din. Kasi pag sobrang kapal, parang hindi namin gusto yun. Gusto ko yung nanunuot yung creamy white sauce. Okay?
And the last one is Nestle all-purpose cream for the white sauce.
Yes, 1 box kapag konti lang yung ano niya. Pero you can always add another box para damihan pa yung sauce.
Yan. Sa tansya na iluluto namin, okay na to. 1 box.
And of course, you always need salt and pepper to taste.
Kaya ito yung gusto ko kasi yung amoy niya. Bango.
Bango. Napaka-fake. Bango.
Hindi, totoo yun. Hindi ako fake. Sautein na natin yung garlic.
Once the garlic is medyo golden brown na, lagyan na natin yung chicken. Yay! Woohoo! So once the chicken is done, we put in the potatoes. Ayan. Again, 3 small potatoes lang yung kinap namin ni Mark. Di nice? Ayan.
Yan. And then, pwede na natin ilagay yung mushroom. Nilagay namin siya sa pinaka-last kasi siya yung pinakamabilis maluto.
Yes. Bango kung naaamoy nyo lang.
Hindi yan. Tubig na.
Okay, kailangan ng water.
Water.
Yes.
For the sauce.
Tsaka para lumambot din yung patatas natin.
Hindi kasi pwedeng all-purpose cream itself.
Tapos ano siya, tansya-tansya yung water. If you feel na medyo sobrang labot, lagay lang kayo. So after the water, you let it simmer.
Yeah. Pero lagyan muna natin ng salt and pepper. Para habang kumukulo siya,
manunuot na yung
lasa ng sauce.
Yes, yes. Again, tansya-tansya lang. Achoo!
Habang iniintay natin na kumulo at lumambot yung patatas, let's cover it.
Simmer!
Ooh, perfect!
Malambot na yung patatas natin.
Yes.
So,
we have to put the
all-purpose cream. So, ito na yung all-purpose cream.
Oh, yes!
Nestle all-purpose cream.
Woohoo! Oh my gosh, yun ang perfect talaga. Yun ang pinaka the best part ever.
So,
stir.
Yan.
Yummy!
And then, ayan, syempre magkakaroon siya ng lasa. And then later, pwedeng mag-add ulit ng salt and pepper.
Oh my gosh, perfect! Nagawa natin!
After lagyan ng all-purpose cream, pakuluan lang ng konti.
Pakuluan?
Pakalaan lang ng konti.
It's time for the taste test! Taste test!
Sabihin mo yung pag may kulang or what.
Yes, okay. Sakto lang yung mga tansya natin, no? May kulang!
Ano kulang?
Girl! Nor Cube! Nakalimutan ng Nor Cube! We're very sorry. We forgot. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, tansya, girl. Chicken Nor Cubes. Kailangan ng isa, okay? Ba yan? Kaya pala kulang.
Fail. Okay na.
Perfect. Ito na yun. Ito yung lasa. Tignan mo.
Yeah.
Yes! And we're done, finally! Again, that is the white chicken recipe from my mother, from mama. So, super sarap, guys. As in, kailangan nyo siyang itry sa bahay. And please do not forget to tag us. Save ako. Ano yung Instagram mo, B?
I forgot, sorry.
Ay, my
Hindi ako
gosh.
masyadong nag-Instagram.
Anyway, yeah, if ever pala na ayaw nyo mag-salt and pepper, pwede na kayo gumamit ng
Maggi Magic Sarap.
yes, yung mga ganong ready to ano na. Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed our very first cooking show or cooking video. Again, we're not professionals. Lutong bahay lang po ang mga turo ng mga magulang namin. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, B. Mark is gonna come back again. We're gonna try to produce cooking shows for you guys once a week. We hope you enjoyed. Kakain na kaming dinner.
And this is our ulam.
Nom 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 nom. Thank you guys for watching. Again, pag gusto nyo ng recipe,
look at the information.
yes. And
Below.
please don't forget to and share nyo yung video na to. Wala lang, share nyo lang. Yun lang, guys. Bye!
Bye!
Bangka, diba? I like it. Pasado to. Ang ganda.